Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully, coming to you once again. What's going on, family? How we doing out there? How we doing out there? How we doing out there? For those that are pretty much stuck in this bloodbath, I know you're probably not doing good. You know, it's looking ugly out here. It is looking ugly. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna share this out to a couple of social media sites, share it out to a couple of individuals, let them know that I am live, so I can get a couple of people in here. You know, let's see who's watching the market with me. Let's refresh this real quick. Right now, we're looking at 126.9, 126 billion, 929 million. Let's refresh this and see if we go up or down. That's 126,929. Now we're at 126. Damn. Now we're at 926.29 million. We just at 900 million. We just at 126 billion, 920 something, 900 and something 9 million. And now that whole nine just got wiped off, and now it's a zero. So we just seen what 800, maybe 800 million, maybe 700 million just leave out the market within a little time that I saved this and then refreshed it, which was just a couple of minutes ago. So what's going on, family? Peace, peace, peace. Brother Kennedy, what's going on? Been growing my BTC count on this dip, my man's. Mr. Martinez, what's going on? Peace, God, body, peace. What's going on, family? Hey, if y'all can, share this out before I get this thing started. BTC dumping, nice bounce though. Nice bounce. You gotta play these bounces. Look at this. Double tweezer bottom at 36.68. Very nice. Very nice. Bounce to the upside. Damn, they recovered. What, a $300 bounce? Hold on. Let's see what this was. Very nice recovery. Yep. About $320 bounce right there. It was a 25 minutes. It's a 5-minute chart what I'm looking at. When they get drastic like this, I break my shit down a minute, 5 minutes. I get to watching it piece by piece. Right now, we're up $100. But yeah, if anyone would have caught that quick $300, they could have made on the rebound side. Yeah, it's just a sale, Brother Martinez. That's it. That's it. Let's see. So let me ask y'all this. What y'all out here looking at? For those that are saying it's a sale, what y'all got y'all eyes on? Let me see. Let me set this up the right way. Let's look at that. XLM. We can look at XLM versus Tether also. Where we can look at the difference between a lot of these. QKC been running like a mug, man. I don't know if anyone, you couldn't have missed my call on QKC. I've been talking about QKC for a while now. We had a quick flash crash. Very, very, very nice recovery coming out of QKC. XLM and Smartlands, my man. Oh yeah, let's take a look at Smartlands. You know I got Smartlands over here too. Hold on, where we at? Where are we at? Man, look at Smartlands taking off. I tried to grab some more. Y'all see that? 28. Look, it was just trading at 22, 23. Right now, we're trading at 28 XLM, family. This thing is pushing a mile right now. Smartlands, hey, look, this Smartlands versus the US dollar. But check this out, though. Let's look at Smartlands versus Bitcoin. Check that out, family. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's Smartlands. What's this? This is a day chart too. This thing never look. It never got any breaks. No one was ever able to slow it down. It kept pushing. It kept pushing. What's going on, Mr. Queen? Welcome, 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 family. How we doing out there? I see we got a nice couple of viewers in the house. If y'all can, go ahead and do a roll call, check in. Let me know your name, city, state, country. For those that might be checking in outside of the country, let's go ahead and get this thing started. Let me go ahead and introduce myself for those that may be just tuning in for the first time and those that may be returning. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. My name is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully, coming to you once again. And we're about to take a look at this bloodbath that's been going on in the crypto market for a while. Now, to some, they're panicking, but you got panicking going on both sides. You got panic sales and you got panic buys. So you got people that are rushing to go buy Bitcoin right now at $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. You know what I mean? You got people that are rushing to sell Bitcoin. You even got people that bought Bitcoin at an all-time high of $15,000, $16,000, $17,000, $18,000. Now finding themselves selling that very Bitcoin right now at $35,000, $36,000, $4,000. Shit, bullshit. That couldn't have been me. Say that right now. That could not have been me. I'm holding on for dear life. I'm missing out because I can't. Well, I can't. What you talking about? What you talking about, brother? Martinez? Explain what you're talking about. So what we're gonna do real quick, first and foremost, we're gonna take a look at the top 20. Let's take a look at the top 20 real quick. Where we at? Now, me myself, I'm trading in and out of Bitcoin Cash SVU, special victims. Or what could I play with this? I don't know. I'm gonna figure something out, but this is what I'm playing in right now. Look, when you see the bounce this thing had, let me show y'all real quick what SV did real quick. Where is, there we go. Let me show y'all. If we go to BCH SV, look where this thing went down to. Hold on, this is a minute chart. Go to a day chart. No, let's go to an hour chart. There we go. This thing came down to $37 before bouncing back up to 71 bucks. You know what, man, let's see. And I hit it kind of lightly. That was 35. Hold on. Let me get this. I want y'all to see what this was. 37.78. So within, what was that? All within a 24-hour period, 97% return on Bitcoin Cash. This is the shit that I'll be telling people that you can't miss out on. And now, don't get me wrong, I missed out on a lot of this stuff too, just because I'm not able to be everywhere at one time. You know what I'm saying? Myself, I'm not able to catch every single pump that comes out of this market. I wish I could. I wish I would. Let's tell me what's going on. I can't get into XLM market unless I download a wallet that I need. Who told you that, brother Martinez? You can get on Stellar X without any of that shit. You can get on Stellar X without any of that. Don't let nobody tell you that. So let's see. Let's take a look at the top 20 real quick. Explain what you mean by that, brother. You can get on Stellar X without any of that. You don't need no special windows, none of that on Stellar X. Even on your now, I will tell you this. You can get Stellar X on an Android phone, and it's a little bit tricky. People really don't know how to do it because it does. When you try to get Stellar X, it does say that we don't have mobile operations ready. Blah blah blah. I know how to bypass all that shit. I know. I can show you whereas you can get on Stellar X on your Android phone. Now it's going to be hard to operate on there. Yes, it's a little bit tricky. It is a little bit tricky. So, but can you do it? Yeah, you can do it easily. Man, look at this thing. This thing rocking and rolling right now. Hold on. This thing is rocking and rolling. That's 29. They're trying to slow it down over there. This Smartland's what I'm looking at right now. Did you still have any, or did you take the profit before? And there's a little pro box right here. Just an hour ago, you could have bought cheaper than you buy now. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. I'm telling you, it's a lot. Look, it's a lot of pushing behind Smartlands right now. I don't know if anyone's missing out, not being able to be on the Stellar X exchange, but this right here on the exchange, look at ECH 64. Come on, baby. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set me a stop. I'm gonna take me some profit up here at about 70 bucks. Let me get over here to the top 20, family. How we doing out there, guys? How we doing, ladies? Man, that's what they telling me. Maybe I need a different link. I'm using PC. I'm on laptop too, bro. Look, just go to Stellar X. I'll walk you through it. Don't even worry, brother. I'll walk you through it. We'll do it later on the trip. So starting off right now, let me go ahead and refresh this one more time. Remember, we got 126 billion, 29 million. Let's see what happens when we refresh. Are we going to go up or are we going to go down? 126.29, 126.79. We just lost what? We just lost 20 more million. We just lost 20 more million within a little bit of time. So starting off right now, we got 126 billion, 79 million, $783,748 within the market. We got a 24-hour volume of 13 billion, 883 million, $37,404. BTC dominance right now is at 53.5%. There's over 2,000. I'm gonna say this one time. There's over 2,071 different cryptocurrencies that CoinMarketCap itself owns. Always remember, there's a lot more cryptocurrencies out there than that. But per CoinMarketCap, they're monitoring about 2,071 right now. Also, there's 15,699 different markets. Wow. A lot of markets out here, family. So it's a big world. Don't think that this minor crash right here is an end or doom and gloom. And this is it. Is there a wallet that supports Smartlands token or just an exchange? Actually, there is a wallet that supports Smartlands token. I just did a review on it. I can't remember. I think you can find a wallet on their page, but I'm gonna tell you this. This is one thing we gotta comprehend. When you're using the exchange, especially a Stellar X exchange, okay, Stellar X, it is a decentralized exchange, but don't think of it as an exchange market. Really, what it is a decentralized wallet that allows you to interface or interact with peer-to-peer. Think of it like this: it's a cryptocurrency wallet that has a built-in interface that allows you to do peer-to-peer transactions with other individuals. That's all. Well, for Stellar X, it is anyway. That's the reason they give you your private key or your private seed to the wallet. It ain't like any other exchange market. You don't get your private key on Bittrex, Poloniex, Binance, none of that stuff. That's their exchange market. You just hold your coins on. But really, they're not your coins because they're in the exchange market. Just like when you put your money in the bank, it's really not your money. But that's another story. But yeah, when you on Stellar X, bro, you don't need no other wallet. That is your wallet. You got the private keys to it. You draw. So coming in at number one, Big Bank Hank Bitcoin trading at $3,880, down 11.1%. Coming in at number two, we got Ripple trading at a low of 37 cents, down 9%. Right now, 9% discount on Ripple. So everyone is long on Ripple, and everyone talking about hodl Ripple and don't sell Ripple. Boy, you got to be plumb dumb nuts. Look, hodl nothing, sell on the rallies, buy on the dip. That's it. That's all. And for those that want to hodl, I'm not going to buy in. Think of it like this. Let's just say you bought 1,000 rips, right? I call ripples. Let's say you bought 1,000 rips at 50 cents when it was starting to go back up. So you mean to tell me, instead of you selling them 1,000 rips at, we'll say, 45 cents, and then taking that bread that you had, which you used to buy 1,000 rips, and coming back in at 37 cents, you know you're going to be able to buy more rips than you had at when you bought it at 50. For all my hodlers out there that want to try to justify the reason that they hodl, because I mean, well, no, let me not say that. Let me not say that. Everybody has their own way of looking at it. My thing is, if I want to hodl, I want as many coins as possible, correct? So if I'm hodling, but I still know how to play the market, I'm not about to let this thing go from 50 down to 25 cents and just look at it like, oh, I'll just double down and buy more. Hell no, I'm gonna use that bread that I had, set me a stop limit. If I get knocked out, so what? I'll be able to buy back in cheaper and get more coins than I had when I got knocked out. So when we look at it like that, what is the smartest way to hodl then? Is it just to buy a coin and sit? I got people that told me they bought Bitcoin or bought current some of these cryptos back in December and January, just been sitting on them. Ain't sold them, ain't did nothing. It's like, yeah, I'm long term. So let me say this: there's nothing wrong with that. I got that private key. Yeah, I got that my private key. Yeah, definitely. Let me not say that because everybody invests in a different way. So there's no right or wrong way to invest it. But just know that the Bitcoin block bully way is I show you how to accumulate more coins. We're not just. I'm never gonna have you put. Well, I'm not gonna have you put your money in anything anyway because it's up to you. But I'm never going to direct you and make you think that I'm putting my money in something and just sitting in it. Even MPXS, I think I stopped out of MPXS. Did I buy more at 17? Hell yes, I did. Am I going to buy more at 18? Hell yes, I am. If it fluctuates and continues to consolidate sideways at the 18 mark, I'm waiting to see if it's going to dump some more shit. You know what I mean? So, anyways, when is they taking a snapshot? I hope I ain't missed a snapshot on MPXS. Anyways, where we left? Okay, we left off on Ripple. Coming in at number 3, we got Ethereum. Ethereum was down to like $108, $106, $105. Right now at 113 globally across the market, down 9%. Bitcoin Cash, which I don't know where you can find Bitcoin Cash at. Because right now it's BCH, SV, and BCH. Let me see if they got those on CoinMarketCap. Let's see. They do. Only one. Check this out, family. This is important. When we look at CoinMarketCap and the coins that it chooses to honor, do y'all see this? That it's only honoring Bitcoin Cash SV and not Bitcoin Cash ABC? Up 14% for the day. Look at this. Rank number 1,726. 6 and 2 is 8. 7 and 1 is. Hey, look, I can't make this shit up. So it's ranked number 1726, right? 6 and 2 is 8. 7 and 1 is 8. That's 44, 44. That's 4, 8, 12, 16. 6 and 1 is 7. Circle 7. Comes right back around full circle. 21 main bricks in the pyramid per Chicago. I'm just playing with y'all with some numerology stuff right now. So yeah, Bitcoin Cash, the only one getting honored right now on Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap, trading at 61.89. Now, if we come over here and we look at the Binance Exchange Market, I want to try to look at that. Right now, it's trading at 64.23. 64.23. I got in. I ain't gonna tell you where I got. Y'all know I'll probably post it later on when y'all see my ins and outs. I'm looking to take profit around $70 and maybe play it again. You know what I mean? In fact, let's do this. That's why I like Binance now, because you're able to do all this stuff right on their platform. Let's see. This is a 1-hour chart. Let's break this down to every 5 minutes. This is what we're looking at. 5 minutes worth of play time. Resistance up there, and we have got support. Let me see. Let me do this off. Well, nah, I ain't even gonna do it. Ain't no need to. Where we're at right now. There we go. 62.52. All right. So what I did real quick, we just set up some support levels, resistance levels on Bitcoin Cash. Remember, it's a 5-minute chart. You can see touch point 1, touch point 2, touch point 3, touch point 4 right here as far as our resistance level, which is now going to be treated as support on the way down. So if we retrace, we can definitely see us treating 62.52 as some sort of support level. We can see it wicked off it so many times. Now, what are we doing right now? So look at this wick right here. Look where this wick came down at the bottom. What's real significant, why you want to learn where wicks and body closings and openings go, because what happens with price action, what you usually see are retests, meaning it'll come back and it'll test those levels once again. That's something key that you want to pay attention to. Let's see over here. I'll say right there, 66. Around 66.37 is where you're going to see a little bit of overhead resistance as we continue to climb up. So right now you're trading in between 62.52 and 64.53. If you're able to break 64.53, you'll be able to go on to 66.37 if you don't get stopped out at 65.54 first. Now, if you break through all that, I can see a pretty clean run back up to $70. Don't quote me on that, though. You do got a couple of milestones on the way, a couple of levels of resistance. Now, I can sit here and make support and resistance lines all damn day. I'm just going to be honest with you, because really look, great number of them. So after we pass 66.37, you got 68.39, 69.40, and 71.02, the final destination before we break back down. If we're able to get back up there, as you can see right now, we broke down. We already had a nice little run up. We could break down from here, actually. Let's see what our playing field is. It's so unorthodox right now with this being so new. The support and resistance lines are kind of I ain't gonna say they're hard to find, but they're not your normal support and resistance level. So okay, let me see. Let's take this, slide us all the way back up here. Boom, right there, 53.69. Okay. Now, let me see. Let me do this. Let me remove all drawing tools, and this is why I did that. I want to be able. Let me see what drawing tools. I could have swore they had the fibs and everything on here. Let me go back. What were we just looking at? Yeah, big. Okay, this is what we were looking at. Let's look at the 30-minute chart. Open that up. There we go. Open this up some more. We got more room to play. Get rid of that. Now, what I do want to slide on here momentarily is some MACD and some RSI just because. Let me go to my favorites. Let's get MACD and let's get relative strength index. Very nice bounce off the bottom relative strength index. Look at that. Bounced off that 30. Very, very, very nice. Look at our negative momentum starting to, what is this, concave? Let me see, is that the word? All right, so what you're looking at right now, this is what you usually want to see. It's concaving in, meaning if we look at the way, in fact, let me make sure I'm using these terms right. All right, here we go. Concave versus convex graph. So let's see. Images. Mathematics. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. So one way you have concave, the other way you have convex. Convex usually is a upsloping trend. Concave is usually the downslope. So if we look at, let me see. giving y'all some game right now for those that are watching right now. So I really don't see anybody else, talking too much about this. Can we use the brush? Let me see. So we see that motion right there. Come back around with the concave. Come around with the convex. So just as an example. So we come around, curve up, come back around, curve up. This is what we're looking for. I want to see us break to the upside like this before coming back down. And then looping back around. So what we would be looking for here is a bump to the upside like this once again. Now, let's look at price action. Oh, hold on. Let me erase those. I didn't mean to do that. There. Turn this damn thing off. There we go. All right, now, look what price action did when we bumped up. Bumped up, next bump up. Right now, we got negative momentum. Look what negative momentum brought us, and look what's happening right now with that bump up. That's what we're looking for right there. Very nice. Very nice. Now, what I wanted to do here, let me get rid of this price action. I'll DM you after the live. No doubt, no doubt. Is Monarch wallet a scam? Damn, Binance won't let me send my XLM. Yeah, Binance, they've been congested with on Binance as far as sending your XLM out. For the last like 2 days, I think. They've been congested. So this is what I want to do real quick. On a 30-minute chart, let's see. I can almost guarantee you this right here is going to be, it's going to be 23, maybe 38, 38, 50. In fact, let me make some of these first. I want to see if I'm going to be spot on point as usual. Definitely could test these areas right here, which we're breaking through right now. Good, man, this is lovely. It's lovely, especially when you pick the right one, almost like I did with Smartlands, family. So let's do this now. Told y'all that was that 50. Told y'all 38. Hold on. So I said this was going to be a 38. I said this is going to be a 50, which you touched, bounced off of. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. Back, hold on. So we're pulling this from a swing low to a swing high. Common areas of retracement, 38 and 61. In fact, let me show you. This is what you usually want to look for on a retracement after a rally between this area right here, between 38 and 61. 50 is usually my go-to area. I've showed people plenty of times, time and time again, how you enter positions. If you've missed a rally, how you get in good, lock in your profit in order for you to continue to rally with the move. So I don't know if anyone remembers any of those teachings that I've given, but very, very, very nice one on this. Bitcoin Cash SB, very nice execution. Honoring our lines of support and resistance within the Fibonacci. I'm talking about almost flawlessly. I would like to see, let me see, we're getting stopped out. What's that? 65.48. 65.48. We got support at 60, 55, 65.48, 74.16. Is that the high we had? Let's see. 74.20 and 74. Yep. So we can adjust this just a tad bit. Well, no. In fact, that's what we can do. There we go. Let's do 74.20. And our low is what? Our low was 37.35. So I had 37.39. I wasn't off the number a couple of pennies. There we go. All right. Now, that is your for sure high and your low on the fib line. So what are we looking at for Bitcoin Cash? I mean, right now we're coming out of our negative momentum. That's what you want to see. Nice bounce off the RSI. Let me see if we could get stopped out, or have we broken 50 already? Oh, we just now reaching that 50% on the RSI. Just touching it right now. You might see a break to the downside, but if we're able to break this, like you see the break right here, broke the downside once again, broke the downside to the downside. So we can see another break to the downside before we continue catapulting up. Overall, Bitcoin Cash SV on a 30-minute chart looking very nice. Looking very nice. 1, 2, 4, 5. A, B, C. Now let's see. Let me see if I got this right. I've been dipping and dabbing. Like I said, I don't need all that complicated stuff in order to call some of these, but I've been dipping and dabbing a little bit. So let's see if I'm on 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will be 5 then, correct? That's your 5 waves, and then you got an A, B, C on the way down. So let's see, what would be our ABC correction? Would it be, let's see, A, B, C to the 61? Is that where we could go before continuing bouncing to the upside? Or could C only bounce down to 38? You know, a couple different ways you could look at it. And like I say, I'm self-taught with all this. So if someone went to school for this or took some type of course and they're like, oh no, they taught me, as you got taught a different way. I taught myself. This is how I've been trading for over a year. I've been calling everything for over a year. Everything that I'm showing y'all now is the tools and the indicators. You know what I mean? The oscillators. These are all the things that I use, and I taught myself how to use them and how to understand them. So there we go. So that's Bitcoin Cash SV. Damn, I think I ain't even get through the whole countdown. My apologies, fam. Let me get back to the countdown. I think we stopped on Bitcoin Cash because I was showing y'all that we didn't even have the other Bitcoin Cashes on here, but we do have SV. So let me see where we at. All right, coming in at number 5, we got Stellar Lumens, still knocking out EOS. Very good. Stellar Lumens right now at 15 cents. Let's take a look at Stellar also. In fact, if there's any coins that y'all want to take a look at real quick, let me know what y'all interested in. And let me know this. Who out there is more concerned about the USD value and who is more concerned about the BTC value? So I think it's a little civil war going on people that are long on BTC and people that are long on USD. So let me know what y'all personal preference is. Are you taking advantage right now and accumulating BTC? Or are you, and when I say accumulating BTC, let me show y'all what I mean. Let me show y'all what I mean. This one right here, beautiful. Look at this. This thing ain't slowed down yet, just like Smartlands. 30-minute chart. This is QKC. Nice accumulation. Very nice accumulation. In fact, hold on, look at this. Let's extend this. Y'all remember this? I ain't looked at this in a while. Let's extend this. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Nice extension. Okay. Let's see. Extend this one. Wow, look at that. Y'all remember when I first made this little upsloping trend line with QKC? This thing never slowed down. Now, anyone that knows, anyone that's been following me, y'all know I gave the original call on QKC at about 650 sats. Today we are trading at 1,191, damn near 1,200 sats. Let's see if I can see where I made that original call. I may have marked it in a way. Let's see. Let's go to a day chart. Oh, hold on. Get back over there. There we go. All right, let me move some of this around because I know some of this doesn't look right. I know y'all like, why has he got this over there, that over there? Let me move this over to the right-hand side. Y'all can see how I play with different fibs. That's on the left. We want to move that over to the right. There we go. So see, we broke through. See, I'd have to extend this one now. So let's get rid of all this, in fact. Boom. There we go. All right. So when we look at QKC, and we look at the call that I made originally, man, this is a damn good one, and only for those that are patient. That's why for anyone that's ever followed me, ever took a call, anything that I put out there, one thing y'all gotta realize is you gotta be patient, man. If I give you something and it don't shoot off that first day, don't be, oh, this shit ain't doing nothing. It's slow. Like, nah, man. This stuff does not just move when you say move. Just because you can see a move doesn't mean that that move is gonna come instantly. That is a positive sign, very positive sign. We broke through that 61.8. Remember, common levels of retracement between 38 and 61. What we seen was that 61 get tested. We tested at 23 again. This is our second tested at 61. We broke it. That is positive. And also, trying to see if I can see a head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders or not. But nonetheless, that right there, very positive. And what we're seeing, those that may not know, we just started a new 24-hour day, right? Look at where our new candlestick started. Very positive, very positive. So this is one of those coins you would look at and you will be accumulating Bitcoin. Now let's look at the flip side. KC. Let's look at it versus the US dollar and see if we got the same reaction. Not really. Not at all. Not at all, actually. That is the difference. Y'all see this, right? Look at QKC versus the United States dollar. Hold on. There we go. Look at these two different charts. BTC, dollar. Bitcoin, dollar. Y'all see the difference here? This is if you're trading in Bitcoin. This is if you're trading in the dollar. You see the difference? We both had that shoot right here. We both had that pyramid. The only difference is Bitcoin came down versus dollar. It probably only hit the 61. Now it's fluctuating right down here. Let's see. Yep. I can almost, let me see. Let me do this. Let me not talk shit. It wasn't even able to make it back. Look at this. Look at the difference between these two charts, y'all. Check this out. So this is QKC versus the United States dollar. This is QKC versus Bitcoin. QKC versus Bitcoin. As you can see, we broke down majorly, came back up. We tested that 61, broke back down to 23. We're able to break 38. Now, don't get it twisted. We had stops along the way. See, we got stopped out at 38. We used it as a form of support for a while. Hold on, momentarily. There we go. So look at this right here. I wanted y'all to see. When we broke 38, you see we rode it for a second. We didn't go nowhere. We tested 50, broke back down. Came back up, tested again, was able to break. What happened? We used that 50 as leverage, as a ladder, as support. Remember, lines of support and resistance are one and the same, only in different time frames. What exchange are you trading on? This right here ain't no exchange market. I trade on a couple of them though. This right here ain't no exchange market. Yeah, what I'm looking at right now is QKC versus Binance though. This QKC versus Binance. So what happened? We broke 50, used it as support, took a nice bounce, was able to break. Now we're on top of 61. Now, if we look at it versus the United States dollar, and we look at what happened. We broke down, bounced. Look at this, stopped out at 60, came back down to 23, but we weren't able to. This, in fact, look, we broke 638. This is where we found our problem at when we hit that 50% retracement level. We weren't able to break it. That's what broke us back down below 38, which got us using 30. Right now, we're using 23 as support and 38 as resistance. That's where we're at versus the US dollar. But then when you come over here and you look at BTC, man, you reign supreme. You reign supreme. Same thing with Smartlands. Look at Smartlands versus the United States. No, versus BTC. Look at this thing. Versus BTC, monster. Nothing stopping it. Nothing stopping it. Let me blow it up. Nothing stopping this thing versus BTC. Not right now, anyways. But when we look at it versus the United States dollar, you see that breakdown? Oh, hold on. Didn't mean to do that. Let me throw all that back where it went. There we go. There we go. All right. Break this down. We can see Smartlands versus the dollar. We've broken down already. Right? What's that? Yep, breaking down right here around a 23.6% retracement level. Now we did come down and test 38 before bouncing back up. So right now you can see that's what's going on. We're using that retracement, that 23. That's our resistance. We may be momentarily. Okay, nah, this is the 23. We broke above it. We did break above it. We did break above it. So right now it is, even though it's not on top of it, it is being used as support. This is on a day chart. A nice opening on the day chart. We did open above $5.10. So that's a positive thing, positive aspect. Let's also take a look at our MACD as well as our RSI too. There we go. So RSI stabilizing sideways. MACD moving to the downside, negative momentum, just now really starting to, let's see. So what we'll be looking for is something like this to go on with the MACD. That's what we'll be looking for anyways. So Smartlands, like I said, it's another one where, I mean, even though on the platform that I'm using, I'm not able to accumulate Bitcoin, what I'm accumulating is XLM. Take a look at XLM. Let's take a look at it versus the dollar first. In fact, we can do it versus Tether on Binance. Hell of a dump. Hell of a dump. So I'm right now, what I'm doing on Stellar is I'm accumulating more XLM because of, look at this dump. Look at this beautiful dump too. Y'all gotta stop being scared of these things, man. This is where the money's made. All right, so on a day chart. Man, that's one hell of a dump. That's ugly. And we're breaking new lows. Let me see, when is this from? Hold on. Since the beginning, where we first started trading versus Tether, we haven't seen these lows before. So right now, we're actually breaking new lows on XLM versus Tether. Let's see, this XLM versus Bitcoin. Let's see if we got more of a lifeline. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see what I got going on over here. I can see I'm hitting that bottom 25% line. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, still well within my trend line. Yeah, about 27%. So I do got a trading area right within here, 27%, which I showed y'all is your common area that you can trade within. I mean, I showed everyone this, so you can play this as many times as you want to, as many times as it hits. Right now we're retracing. Look where we got knocked out at, though. Look where we found our support at. That upsloping 25% trend line. Right there. Very nice. Those that may not be able to see. What I'm talking about is none other than this green line right here, trailing up, as you can see. At times it's support, very strong support, albeit, and at times it's resistance. Whereas it's trying to get its head above it, but it's not able to crack it. But when it does crack it, you can see what happens. We got nice shoots to the upside. Very nice shoot to the upside. It's actually higher than the last high. This low is actually higher than the last low also. So let's take a look at it like this. We're looking at a day chart already. Let's see. So that's Stellar Lumens. I would say as long as we're able to keep that upsloping trend and not break below this, we'll still be good with Stellar. I mean, I'm not going anywhere. I'm still trading in and out of coins so that I can accumulate more Stellar Lumens, because when it breaks to the upside, it's not about, how do I put this? It's not going to be about did you hold out and wait for it to break to the upside. It's going to be about did you accumulate more, you know what I mean, before it broke to the upside. That's what I'm doing. I'm learning to accumulate more before it breaks off. So Stellar Lumens looking very nice also. Let me see, where were we at? Where were we at with the countdown? I know I ain't get that far. Stellar Lumens at 15 cents. EOS at $3.26. Stellar Lumens right now at a 15% discount. Litecoin, EOS is at a 9%, damn at 10% discount. Litecoin coming in at $29.23, down 10%. Cardano's at 3 cents, down 11%. Monero right now at 58 goddamn dollars. Wow. Family, this is one thing I am going to say to any and everybody. This is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. But some of these prices that y'all see, man, people would have gave their left arm to get some of these prices a couple of months ago. Hell, a year ago. $58 Monero. Tron. Now, this is something I want y'all to pay attention to. Tron and Cardano, even though they've been saying they've been taking 9% hits, 10% hits, them things still been trading at like a penny. I ain't really seen. Just be honest with you, I ain't seen Tron leave a penny in the last couple of months. Let's see. I'm gonna take a look at Tron. Let's take a look at the historical charts. Excuse me. Man, one of these phones. Let me go plug one of these phones up real quick. Let me look at that. Now this is the shit I be talking about. So right now you're down 11%. You're down a whole 11% right now in USD. But check this out. You up 1.5% in BTC. Say that again. You're up 1.5% in BTC. So, like I said, it's like pick your poison. Are you concerned about USD value? Are you concerned about BTC value? So, like, think of it like this. Let's just say you would have got in a year ago. Right now, you're playing with 100% house's money. Let's say you had $500 you started trading. But let's say that $500 was, man, see, I don't want to say it's $500. Once you convert over to BTC, it's a totally different currency. That'd be my biggest thing, family. For anyone that likes to say that they're sitting in some, if you don't have that as of right now, then you don't have it. So if you, let's just say you're sitting in Bitcoin and right now you have $100 USD value of BTC, but you're sitting in BTC and the value of BTC is moving up and down. You don't got that value anymore. You have BTC. So let's just say you have, let's do the math. Let's say right now, okay, so $100 right now is 0.27 BTC, right? No, 0.027. So that'd be 2,700,000 BTC. No, that would be right. That's 2,700,000 Satoshi, right? Check this out. If you make a trade right now, let's just say you put $100, somebody sells you 0.027 BTC at $100 right now. I want everyone out there in the world to understand you do not have $100. You now have 2,700,000 Satoshi. It's all about where you go with it from here. That 2.7 is not going to change unless you change it. Unless you change it by way of trading it against USDT or USD, which means you're actually, if USD goes down or up, you're going to sell it because remember, you're going to sit at 0.027 indefinitely until you do something with it against one of the stable tokens. Now, if you put it against a altcoin, if you put it against an altcoin and that altcoin is going up versus BTC, then what you'll be doing is accumulating more BTC, more Satoshis, excuse me, or sats, as we call them. So Satoshis, sats is what you'll be accumulating. Let's like just for instance, we go back and we look at QKC. Remember, you're accumulating Bitcoin right now. We at 1,200. Very good. You're accumulating Bitcoin right now. Some people was waiting for this. I don't get it. Some people was waiting for this. And because Bitcoin's going down, they're like, oh, well, I'm out the way. Well, and it's understandable. Like I said, you got to pick your poison. You have to pick your poison. Either you want BTC or you want USD. But my thing is, I'm going to get as much BTC as I can because what's going to happen is when BTC shoots to the upside, everyone's going to be rushing trying to buy. Everyone's going to be rough. I'm going to tell you like this. Bitcoin could go down to $2,500 right now. No, people are not going to try to buy it again until it shoots back up to maybe 4,000, 5,000 bucks. Which you're going to be like, damn, I missed out on 25. I missed out on 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I missed out on a lot only because I wasn't too sure about it. Sometimes you got to take those risks with no risk, no reward. I'm risking it right now. I'm going all in on BTC. Don't get me twisted, family. I know how to trade in and out of BTC. But let's just say I make a couple of good trades today, and at the end of the day, I'm up more BTC than I started the day off with, right? And BTC is dumping overnight, right? What I'm going to do is either sell my BTC to USD, because remember, if BTC starts to shoot up, right? If it starts to shoot up, let me see, how do I put this? If I'm sitting in BTC overnight and BTC ends up dumping, I'll be losing USD value if I'm just sitting in BTC. If you're just sitting in BTC, then and you're watching the fluctuation of it, then I don't suggest just sitting in BTC. I don't suggest just hodling BTC. If you're going to sit in BTC, trade it against USD or USDT, then don't just let it sit there and do whatever the hell it wants to do. So when we look at this, look, QKC is not slowing down, man. That's beautiful. I love that. QKC is not slowing down one bit. Neither is Bitcoin Cash SV. $65, $65.80. What did I tell y'all? Let me go back to this chart. Let me see. And what I tell y'all. What was I looking at it at? Was it tracking? Here we go. Break this down. 2 hours. 30 minutes. 33 minutes. Nope, let's go back to 30 minutes. Let's see what happens. Hey, I'm gonna tell you something. This thing may not break back down here. We may see an A. I may have to extend B, like so. I don't know. We'll see what happens. And then see what, jump back off 60, 63 maybe. 66. Bounce off 66, come down to 63, continue to rally. That might be what we see from Bitcoin Cash. We got to sit back and wait. Let's see, where were we at with the countdown though? Oh, we were talking about Tron. Let's see. Look at Tron versus Bitcoin. Binance. Whoa. What is this, a 30-minute chart? Look at that. Hold on. Day, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. There we go. Look at this crash. Let's see what happened here. And all I look for is the amount of profit that could have been made. This lets me know it was out there. I mean, real quick, you could have came back with about 15% profit. That's what, 11 hours? Not bad. 14% profit within a 10-hour period. That ain't bad at all. At least 10%. At least 10%. Not bad at all with Tron. Oh, okay. Okay, Tron. I see what we're doing. Tron break that 323. You may see it run to about 329. Remember, Tron is not something that moves like that. So when it's like, oh, it only moves. Look where it was fluctuating between 312. I mean, for the longest. 319. Hold on, let me plug my phone. This thing about to die. I don't want to die. We got any questions so far? Any coin requests? Anything? I know I got a couple viewers out there. Chat kind of quiet. You know, I like to be interactive with the family. Do we got anything that anyone wants to take a look at real quick while we're live? Because I do. This will be ending momentarily. Where we at over here? Look at that. Look at that dump. 28 down to 25. Because I was live, I didn't dump this shit, man. Ah, well. I picked up some more though. Picked up some more. So I'm about to end this now because I'm about to come over here and finish trading with Smartlands. If we don't got any questions, any coin requests or anything, we're gonna end this here. I do want to thank everyone that did tune in with me for the bag. Hold on, family. So yeah, we see what's going on, family. Ugly out there. Like I said, you got some that are going against the grain. You got some that are going against the grain. Be sure you take your profit when you get that chance. Always be sure you take that profit when you get that chance, family. What I got left over here? 121 XLM. We'll come buy me some more Smartlands up. So yeah, family. Until the next video, this is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. I am out of here.